What is Eloquent or ORM in Laravel? In how does it simplify database interaction? Well, Eloquent ORM or Object Relational Mapping is a powerful feature in Laravel that simplifies database interaction by allowing developers to interact with database using PHP code instead of writing complex SQL inquiries. It acts as an interface between the database tables and PHP code. Each database table is presented as a model, which make it easier to perform CRUD or create, read, update, and operations. 2. How does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? Laravel routing system is a backbone of any application, enabling you to defining how HTTP requests should be handled. Routes are defined in the directory, especially in routes. Slash web dot PHP for web routes and routes slash API dot PHP for API routes. 3. Explain the role of the blade templating hygiene in Laravel. Blade is a powerful templating hygiene including with Laravel that allows you to writing dynamic and well-structured HTML code while keeping your PHP code clean and maintainable. Blade templates are compiled into plain PHP code and cached until they are modified, adding essentially zero overhead to your application. Blade layout files use the blade that PHP file extensions that are stored in the resources slash views directory. What are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel offers several security features that developers create a secure application. Laravel is provide robust authentication system that handle use registration, login, and password reset. Its user providing guard to facilitate attention. Why? How does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel task scheduling features allow you to fluently and aggressively define your commands schedule. Within Laravel itself, your task schedule is defined in the hub console kernel.page file schedule method. You may define all your schedule that in the schedule method of your app slash console slash kernel class.